Meaning of interdisciplinary.
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 Interdisciplinary. The term interdisciplinary refers to the integration of knowledge, theories, and methods from multiple academic disciplines or fields of study. It involves the collaboration and interaction between experts from different fields in order to solve complex problems and address issues that cannot be adequately addressed by a single discipline. Interdisciplinary approaches can be applied to a wide range of fields such as science, medicine, social sciences, engineering, and the arts. The goal of interdisciplinary research is to bridge the gaps between disciplines and create a more holistic understanding of phenomena.